Hey guys, welcome to yet another FinMeUp video. My name is Zeno and this is actually my very first podcast for the FinMeUp team. So I'd really appreciate it if you guys could show some extra love. Please like and subscribe. I would really appreciate it. Cool, so in today's video, we'll actually be covering a very interesting topic, and that is side hustles. Now, whether you're already pursuing side hustles or don't know where to start, this video is definitely for you. So side hustles are obviously a great way of generating extra income apart from your job. So we sat down as a FinMeUp team and here are some of our suggestions. The first one is pretty obvious. If you have a reliable car and you back your driving skills like Lewis Hamilton, then you can join a lift sharing company like Uber or Bolt and ride in your free time or weekends. The next one would be to upskill yourself with a short course. Now this is personally my favorite as I've done this by myself. I did a short course on Udemy. It cost me 280 Rand on one of the sales, and I literally paid that course back within my first job that I did. And this is certainly a great way for you to use your free time to learn a skill and then sell that to people who don't want to take the time to learn that skill and rather just pay someone. Examples of these are doing a short course on designing logos, websites, a short course on graphic design, and these are great ways of just generating income in your free time. Examples of places where you can do these short courses are Udemy, Coursera, and a bit of a sneak peek, once the FinMeUp app relaunches, we'll actually be having more courses again, so be sure to check those out. The next side hustle that we came up with is to rent out products that you have lying around in your house on sites like Handle. Now Handle is an upcoming site, but it's a great way, if you have a PlayStation lying around that you don't use anymore listed on the site, and there may be people who actually want to rent this from you. The next side hustle that we have is selling your goods on marketplaces. A basic example, okay, this is very basic, is baking cookies on your weekends and then selling these on Facebook Marketplace, in your neighborhood, and on WhatsApp group. I know some of us are some serious bakers and some of us aren't, so find a product that works for you. Then we have doing tasks for people that don't have enough time to get around to these tasks, such as laundry, fetching and dropping kids, and there's many other things. So be creative, think of things that you are doing that other people don't have time for and that you can work into and generate income from. Also, since COVID came around, many people have tried to limit their contact with others, especially elderly people. Now, this is another opportunity. Offering to do the grocery shopping for them as a small fee can also generate extra income. For example, if you go into the shops, just ask the elderly people around you, can I do this for you for a small fee? And that kills two birds with one stone. Then if you have knowledge of a basic market, you can definitely put that to use. For example, if you see a PlayStation on a marketplace that's selling for 1,000 Rand from someone who's desperate, and the market generally pays 3,000 Rand, then you can purchase the PlayStation and resell it for 3,000 Rand, resulting in profit of 2,000 Rand, as long as you have the capacity to hold on to that product until it sells for the general price in the market. Then lastly, we have selling basic services. Washing windows, cleaning cars, mowing the lawn are all tasks people would pay to have done rather than do it themselves. And this is where you step in and generate income for yourself. So that's all the ideas. There's many more. Please drop your suggestions in the comments and then we can help other viewers. But yeah, there's definitely many more options beside the ones listed in the video, but this is just a nice way to get you guys thinking of ways to use your free time to generate some extra income. Cool, I hope to see you guys in the next video. Cheers.